Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here on the beautiful Norwegian Getaway. It's my first morning here on the ship. I'm gonna head to breakfast. I'm not that hungry, just gonna have a light breakfast because I plan on doing a lot of eating during the day. Place I'm gonna go to breakfast is called Savor. It's one of the 20-something restaurants on this ship. So I'm gonna head downstairs now and we'll check out breakfast at Savor here on the Norwegian Getaway. This is Captain Morgan. He shows up in all cruise-related videos here on the New York channel. He shows up as a quick flash in the background, including this video. Be the first to spot him and leave a comment below with the timestamp where you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Good luck. Shout out to Deborah Camacho who found Mitzi, the rubber ducky showgirl, in my last Las Vegas video, the Bazaar Shops, including Dave's Hot Chicken. Congratulations, Deborah. Also, don't forget, if you're the first person to comment and that comment is the word first, F-I-R-S-T, you'll get a little heart emoji next to your name. This little corridor we're walking through is actually an art gallery, and some of the art's actually quite nice. Some of it's tacky, but some of it's quite nice actually. And they do sell all these pieces as well as have art auctions during the cruise. And the pieces change. They must have them stored somewhere because every time I walk through I see new pieces that I haven't seen before walking through the ship. No prices on the menus or drinks, it's all inclusive, and I decided to get the open-faced smoked salmon bagel, which is cream cheese, capers, tomatoes, and red onions. Sounds good. I've got a full itinerary today, as you can see. It's going to be a beautiful, busy, great day. The smoked salmon bagel looks really good, and those are hash browns on the side. And of course, just like I said, anything else I want, it's there for just the asking, like bacon or sausage or toast, anything you want. Just ask for it and they'll bring it right to your table, no extra charge.
Salmon tastes very good. It's very fresh. Coffee is nice and strong the way I like it, and the orange juice is fresh squeezed, so far so good.
Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out.
And that was breakfast at Savor, my very first breakfast here on the Norwegian Getaway. It was very good. I had the half a bagel with salmon, cream cheese. I had lettuce and tomato and onions and capers. It was very good. It was nice and cold, which is the way it should be. The bagel itself was warm. It was toasted. And then I had the hash browns. Every time I order hash browns, I'm thinking I'm going to get the hash browns with the stirred in onions and peppers and things like that. Maybe that's a New York, New Jersey thing. I don't know. But instead, I got those little hash brown. I hate to call them like McDonald's, but that's what they were like. They were like McDonald's. But they were very good. They were nice and crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Coffee, very strong, black, just the way I like it, and hot. And orange juice was freshly squeezed. And so all in all, it was a very good breakfast here at Savor. And I'm going to be doing lunch in about 3 or 4 hours, so I didn't want to eat too heavy. Of course, I could always order more if I want. All the food's included here on the ship. But like I said, I'm doing lunch in a little while. So I got a lot of recording to do. It's my first full day on the ship. I got a full agenda, as you saw while I was eating, so I'm going to get going on that. And thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys soon.
Not too long ago, one of you guys questioned me in the comments about my term freshly squozen orange juice, and you asked, is squozen really a word? And it got me to thinking, maybe it isn't. Maybe it's one of those words I made up as a child, and I just continued saying it as I grew up. So leave a comment below. I know it should be freshly squeezed, I guess, but I've always said freshly squozen. What do you think? Leave a comment.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.